So this is the UI design I have been created for the AI app. You can see it's very glossy, minimalistic and professionally maintained UI design. So this is what I'm going to share in today's video, like how I created this UI design, and also with that I'm going to give you some tips for the designing. Hi, I'm Devendra Kohli, UI designer. I have an experience of 4 years in this industry. If you want to convert your idea into reality, then you can contact me on the Devendra Kohli 41 @gmail.com and on Telegram ID Devendra Kohli 41. And along with that, I also have an WhatsApp number. This is +91 9136360326. So okay, so let's dive into the design that I created. So before creating any design, you should have a proper overview about your project. You should understand proper storyline of the project, and every designers have their ethics while designing the UI. So when I design the UI, I mainly focus on easy to accessible features on the screen, not over animation, and simple and minimal so that user won't get confused. So far I have my boundaries, so you should also draw your boundaries, and between that you should create design for your project. So now I have drawn my boundaries, so I have been created this design within that boundary. Here my main motive is to create the UI design where all the features should be easily accessible. Along with that, that design should be minimal, simple and not over animated. Okay, so this is our boundary. So let's see how I design by keeping those things in my mind. Like here I have been created the 3 section. Here is the first section, that is login and registration, and the first thing you wanna see, this is the splash pane. Before starting any project, you should understand storyline of your project, on which topic you are creating your UI design. Then you should have the proper feature list of your app, and along with that, which typeface, which color you gonna use, you should know that before creating any kind of project. So here in this case, I know I am creating the application, that is AI application, where user can chat with the AI. They will provide the prompt and your AI will answer them, and along with that there will be one feature where user can talk with the AI and they will get the response from the AI, and they can make the conversation with them as well. So I know this is a AI application, so I will create the design according to that. This design would be something like the modern and something robotic as well. If you take the look on all the project, then all the things are looking like the robotic and the modern. Okay, on the splash screen, the first thing first, I have been selected a theme. So my theme is a dark theme. I already told you I want some robotic and the modern theme, so that's why the future will be something like dark in the robotic area. So that's why I've been selected the dark theme. Okay, and here I have not selected the proper black color. Okay, so instead I've been selected the purple dark color. Then here you can see on the splash screen I have been placed the simple and minimalistic brand logo, that is AI Health. And behind that you can see I have been added one element that's representing the modern era and the robotic era, something like unique element behind that. Then the next screen is like the registration and login screen. Okay, you can say this as an intro screen. Here I have been kept something, one unique text like I am not a human. So that's why user getting aware that they are on the AI application. And below that I have been kept the 3 actions button. First is continue with Google, and another one is sign up, and the next one is the login button. If you take a close look over here, I have been use a different type of button. So here for the continue with Google, I have been use a bold button. Below that I have been created the primary button, and below that for the login I have been selected a tertiary button. So this is very bright. You can say this button as a primary, you can consider this as secondary, and this is you can consider as a tertiary button. And the next screen is the registration screen. If user click on the sign up, then this screen will get open. Here I have been displayed the clear message that create an account. So here user can create their account. They will enter their email address over here, and here I have been kept the primary button. You can say in this case the secondary button, and below that I have been kept the label saying already have an account, and then login. I have been highlighted login with the another color, that is the yellow color. If you want, then you can use other color as well. And just below that I have been kept the button to continue with Google. So as I already told you, I want my features should be easily accessible feature. So that's why I also keep the continue with Google option on this sign up page as well. If in case user change their mind and they supposed to continue with the Google, then instead of pressing back, so this will save the user's time as well. And then the next screen is after entering the email address, then they will see this screen. Here they need to enter their password, and once they enter, then they will get redirect to this screen. And the next screen is like here login screen. Okay, on the login screen I have been keep the text like welcome back, so I am welcoming them again. Okay, and below that I have been keep two inputs like email address and to enter the password. Okay, and just below that here I have been keep the option like forget password. If in case user forget a password, then they can click over here. And below that here's the primary button, you can say like the continue button. Okay, so they can continue with it. And below that I have been kept one label that's saying don't have an account, then sign up. Okay, so this is how our login and registration section will look like. Below that I have been created the another section that is AI prompt based feature screen. Okay, so here I have been created all the chart screen. So in case if user want to make the chart with the AI, then this screen will look like this. Okay, so here first thing is if user successfully log in or register, then this screen will get visible. All know initially user don't have any chart, so instead of keeping this screen empty, I decided to add some more elements over here because this area is a main area and more impression giving area. Okay, so here I have been keep the option like get the AI help pro. Here I am promoting the premium version of this AI help so that user will get that this application also have the premium feature. Premium version now provide all these features. Okay, and along with that then they will get charged like 1950 rupees per month. And below that I have been keep the button to subscribe. Okay, and just below that I have been create some sample prompts. So this is how the first screen will look like if user not have any chart. On the top right corner you can see one add button. If user click on this button, then this screen again get visible, so that new topic will get start. At the top left corner here I have been added the sidebar or icon. In the sidebar user will see all their topics they have been charted previously with the AI. And here I have been keep the search option, so if they want to search a topic then they can access it easily. And bottom of that I have been kept the option to access their profile. Okay, so this is how simple AI chat prompt screen look like. If user asks a question to the AI, then this is how this screen will look like. Here this is how response from user will look like, and this is the response from the AI. We are displaying our brand profile, and just near that all the message and all the solutions that AI is providing will get visible over here. Okay, simple. In case if user ask any code related questions, and then this is how the code viewer will look like. Okay, if in case if user uploaded the image, this is how the UI of this screen will look like. The uploaded image will be displayed, and just near that they can get a text box to enter the prompt. And here we have been also kept the option to cancel that image, so that they can cancel this image and they can directly ask the prompt over here. Along with the media option, here they can chat by providing the audio, and this audio will get converted into text. Click on the send button and the chat will get sent. You might have the question, where is the send button? Okay, send button is connected to the enter button of the keyboard. So when user press the enter button on the keyboard, then this prompt will get asked to the AI. You can see how this screen will look like. Here they can select the AI characters. So far I've been added the 3 character. Okay, and with that here will be the image of that character and the name of the character. And for that I have been kept his voice type like the bold, assertive and confident tone. Okay, so if user click on the done button, then he can chat with the Pushpa. Here user will get 2 buttons. One button is the mic. So when user click on the mic, then he can start the conversation with him. If you want to close the conversation with him, then they can click on this cancel button, and then again they will redirect to this screen. Okay, so this is how our AI help app look like. If you want to download the project file for this project, then the link of this project file is given in the description box. If you want to know how I redesign the YouTube app UI on Figma, then watch this video. For more video, please hit the subscribe button, and please don't forget to visit our AiaStore.shop.